Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Lego Robotics is probably one of the most engaging and educational toys available today, seamlessly blending the fun of building with the challenge of programming, making it perfect for aspiring engineers, tech enthusiasts, or anyone who enjoys a hands-on learning experience. This video will dive deep into what makes these kits so special, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you choose the best one for your needs and skill level. Number 5. Lego Creator 3-in-1 Underwater Robot. Get ready for underwater adventures. This amazing 3-in-1 set lets you build 3 different models, from a robot to a submarine. It has flexible joints, a viewing dome, and mechanical hands with a drill, claw, and grabber. It's ready to explore the ocean depths. Once you've explored the ocean floor, rebuild it into a sleek manta ray. This model is just as fun to build and play with. If you prefer underwater exploration, transform it into a submarine with a manipulator arm. It's perfect for underwater missions. This set's versatility continues with an underwater crane, ideal for treasure hunts. The possibilities are endless. With 207 pieces, it's perfect for kids aged 7 and up. Combine it with other Lego bricks for even more creative building. What we like. It allows you to build 3 different underwater creatures. If you are looking for a versatile building experience with multiple play options, this is the perfect choice for you. This set is great for kids who love imaginative play and enjoy building different things. What people say. The 3-in-1 sets are great because my kids can decide which of the 3 things they want to build. He likes the fact that he can create a robot and then if he gets bored with it, he can disassemble and create something new with the pieces. Getting to pick out of 3 possible creations is so much fun. Number 4. Makeblock mBot Robot Kit. It's an excellent educational robot toy designed for learning electronics, robotics, and computer programming in a fun way. It teaches programming step by step through interactive software and learning resources, progressing from scratch to Arduino. With clear instructions, it's easy to build in just 15 minutes. Building it helps kids learn about electronics, machinery, and robotics components. It also functions as a remote control car with features like line following and obstacle avoidance. Coding cards and lessons make it easy to use all functions and create projects. 3 free Makeblock apps and mBot software let kids enjoy remote control, programming games, and coding. Note that batteries are not included. Surprise your child with this cool robotics kit and let them discover the secrets of programming and electronics. It's a perfect educational gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It has an open-source system with many fun configurations. It's compatible with over 100 electronic modules and 500+ parts from the Makeblock platform, and even Lego parts. What we like. It's designed for easy assembly, making it perfect for beginners. If you're looking to introduce your child to the world of coding and robotics in a fun and accessible way, this kit is ideal. It's a great way to spark an interest in STEM subjects. What people say. It's designed to be tough and has capability that is only limited to the kids' and parents' imagination. It is an absolutely fantastic toy for my 8-year son. He likes it so much. I especially loves that you can program in both Scratch like GUI and actual coding. This is not a toy, but that doesn't mean it's not fun. It's a very sturdy machine with legit parts for a robot. The projects are fun, but we went through them quickly so I've had to make up more challenges to keep the interest going. Number 3. Lego Boost 17101. Does your child love robots? This amazing kit combines building and coding in a fun and engaging way. It's the perfect way to spark their imagination and develop valuable STEM skills. With 847 Lego pieces, it allows kids to build 5 different models, each with unique functions. From a dancing robot to a guitar-playing machine, the possibilities are endless. Build and code Vernie the robot, Frankie the cat, and 3 other awesome creations. Each model offers new challenges and learning opportunities. It uses color, distance, and tilt sensors to make the models interactive and responsive. Kids will love seeing their creations come to life. It's an award-winning STEM toy designed for kids aged 7 to 12. It's a fantastic way to learn about coding, engineering, and problem-solving while having a blast. Each model is impressively sized, with Vernie standing over 10 inches tall and other models equally impressive. The detail is amazing. You will need a tablet or smartphone to use this kit. It's compatible with many iOS, Android, Kindle, and Windows 10 devices. Check for compatibility before purchasing. What we like. This kit offers 5 different models to build and code, providing hours of entertainment and learning. If you want a more advanced robotics experience with coding capabilities, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids who enjoy both building and programming. What people say. You can build 5 different, intricate projects right out of the box. Lego included a huge assortment of great parts so that you can build a standing robot, a guitar, a factory, a cat, and a horizontal roverbot. Each model is part toy and part experiment because the app has included code that makes the characters lively and interactive while leaving room for customization. The Lego Boost app guides you through building and programming each robot in a set of challenges that are unlocked as you go. Number 2. Lego MINDSTORMS F331313. Get ready to build, code, and have fun with the Lego MINDSTORMS EV3. It's a fully functional robot kit that's perfect for kids and adults alike. With over 601 pieces, you can build and program it to walk, talk, play games, and complete tasks. The possibilities are endless. It features an intelligent EV3 brick, servo motors, and sensors. Connect it to your smart device and use the free app to control your creation. This set comes with instructions for 17 different robotic designs, each with unique features. Program it to talk, walk, grab, and even shoot targets. It's an educational STEM toy that makes learning to code and engineering fun. It's perfect for creative kids and curious minds. It's compatible with all Lego construction sets, so you can expand your creations and build even more amazing things. Let your imagination run wild. The main robot, SPIK3R, is an impressive size, standing over 16 inches tall. Prepare to be amazed by what you can build. What we like. It comes with instructions for building 17 different robots, each with unique features. If you are looking for a challenging and rewarding robotics project with advanced coding possibilities, this is the one. It's suitable for older children and those with some prior experience in robotics. What people say. Upon opening the packaging, you quickly realize that the outside sleeve is a course for the robots that you are going to build to navigate on. It's a nice feature, and a good way to include something like this. The Lego programming method is extremely easy to use. It's a graphic system where you drag and drop blocks that serve as the commands, and then in those blocks you change settings in order to change what the robot will do when it reaches that portion of the program. The building part is easy because of my son's prior Lego building hobby, but he's learning more advanced programming of the robots he's building, and he's doing a lot of research on how to hack the system to make the rotations go from 360 to 720, I think, which is a doable hack because Lego has a program for it called EV3.14. Number 1. OKK Robot Building Toy. It's more than just a building toy, it's an educational tool to boost creativity and hands-on skills. It helps kids develop problem-solving abilities and hand-eye coordination. Control it with the remote or via a smartphone app. It offers multiple control modes, including voice control and path planning, for endless fun. Build, code, and play. It's perfect for kids interested in engineering and creativity. It's a great gift for any occasion. It features a USB rechargeable battery for hours of playtime. The remote control provides a wide range of movement options. With 635 building blocks and easy-to-follow instructions, it's ready for hours of building and imaginative play. It's perfect for individual or group play. What we like. It offers both remote and app control, providing multiple ways to interact with the robot. If you want a robot that is easy to control and offers a lot of features, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who love interactive play and enjoy using technology. What people say. Directions were pretty easy to follow. It actually works with the remote control once you finish. Once together it feels sturdy. The arms move, and I believe the hands could hold something light, but they do not move with the remote. The remote is easy to use and the robot can go on our carpet and hard floors. The remote controls the robot's movements forward, backward, and to the right and left. It also can move the robot's head to each side. With 635 pieces, this kit provides a comprehensive building challenge that keeps children engaged for hours. The step-by-step picture guide is clear and helpful, making the assembly process enjoyable and educational. The ability to control the robot via a remote or an app is a major plus. The different modes, remote control, path mode, voice control, and gravity sensor, add layers of interactivity and fun, allowing for various ways to play and learn. The USB rechargeable design is convenient, eliminating the need for constant battery replacements. The robot responds well to controls, capable of intricate movements like full 360 rotations and expressive gestures. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.